Welcome to another Overland Travel Adventures, and today we have the Shasta trailer and the Land Rover Discovery all packed up, and we're headed to Doran Beach in Bodega Bay, California. All right, Randy, what are you missing? You got to be missing something.
I have the gut feeling that I am missing something, but I have absolutely no idea what it is until I arrive. Within minutes of arrival, I'll know. It'll be clear as a bell.
So Randy is loaded up. I don't know what he could have forgotten. You always forget something when you go camping, even if you make a list. But making lists are good, following those lists are good, but you still forget stuff. Hey Storyteller Overlanders, this is John and we are in the Barlow District in Sebastopol, California. Very cool place. Going to Wood 4 for lunch. This is Wood 4 and it's a brewery right here in Sebastopol in the Barlow District. Really cool place. Definitely check it out. Great sour beers, by the way. Coming into the town of Bodega, this is where they filmed The Birds. That's the famous church up there where she was attacked by the birds.
West of this bar right here, casino. I've been in there many times.
There it is. There's the
Very
church.
complicated.
There's the casino.
After 0.7 mile, turn right.
And we're pulling in to the Doran Beach area. We have arrived at Doran Park, Sonoma County Regional Parks. Doran Beach. Well, Overland Travel Adventurers, we have made it to Doran Beach and it is cold, it is windy, and it is foggy. Welcome to summers on the coast in California. This is what we get sometimes. Hopefully tomorrow it'll clear up, but we did bring warm clothes. Betty did great on the road and now she is in her camping spot. So I just unhooked her and now we'll set up the trailer. So in our 1960 Shasta trailer we have the original Murphy Richards Astral propane powered fridge. I'm going to show you how I got to start this thing up. So there's the fridge, it's small, but it is an actual refrigerator and does get cold. We showed how I made ice cubes. Let me show you how I got to start this thing. It's pretty cool. So over on the side of the trailer next to the door is the compartment. So got the key, open it up, and you'll see the gas supply right there. Got to turn that on. Let's just do that real quick. Turn that gas supply on. And then under here is where the pilot goes. You can see the flap. There's the pilot. But you can't just light it with your regular lighter. I got to use a blowtorch. Got the pilot lit with the blowtorch, and she'll start making that fridge cold. Old stuff works.
I don't eat anything but Kobe beef. I'm a beef snob. Oh my God, it's from Rayleigh's. Ugh. If there's no traffic, we literally could have probably got here in 2 hours, 2.5 hours.
This is the little grocery store in Bodega Bay. Good place to get some saltwater taffy, by the way. So that's what Randy got, and firewood. And what?
There used to be a laundromat right there, and there's a great surfboard shop right there.
Cool surfboard shop.
Yeah. God, that smells good.
So unfortunately I just missed it, but they just released some seals back into the wild from the Marine Rescue Group that's here, and I think Carol and Jackson may have seen it. So maybe we'll have some pictures, but really cool, volunteer only, and they rescue hurt mammals and things like that, like seals, and then they release them back when they're healthy. So they just did that here at Doran Beach. Very nice. And there's the Bennett's Airstream. They made it in last night. Brian and Candace. And there's the Shasta team.
Are we all up for going into Guerneville today and trying to find some sun and going to the big trees? What is it? Can't remember the name of it, but
it's a redwood stand.
Fern grotto up there. It's beautiful. Old growth trees. Armstrong redwood trees, Sonoma Coast. Be there.
No, but it says it is.
It doesn't have a normal
1953 Little Caesar vintage trailer built in Sebastopol. Wow, handmade. We're here with Kevin in his shop here in Guerneville, California. He's restores, rebuilds, does some just amazing work. Pick up this little Shasta for $17,500. Look at that cute guy. It's not an original, it's a built one, but it's pretty cute. You got the Airstream, 1954 Airstream. That's all original. Only 117 of these made. It's an Airstream Wanderer, made in 1954. It's been gutted. It used to be a pool house in Los Angeles. And then everything's going to come back out and off, and then it'll be restored back to how it was supposed to be. Very cool. This is not bad. It's a bookstore again and a coffee shop for you.
I got coffee. It's in the fridge.
Where are we, Randy?
Armstrong. This is where they have there's a very famous tree here called the Colonel. I think it's the Colonel. That's, I think, close to 2,000 years old.
Wow.
We go straight, goes right into a fern grotto, and
I've seen the bigger.
I would suppose they've had a lot of down trees after this last big storm.
Do we need to pay for parking?
No, we don't. We could walk in. I don't think we have anything to pay. You could drive into the park, and on the other side of the big trees is a picnic area.
Oh, I see.
Or you do what we did, and you give donations here,
It's like,
and you just walk in.
what's the game that you enter the gun?
Is this a state park?
Federal.
Yeah, I believe so.
Federal.
It's crazy this got preserved.
You can't pick a winner.
As if this was you.
We're in this big, gigantic saddle right now, and this is old growth. I'd love to see if there's any history on why they saved this stand of trees.
Sticky bun. Look at that.
Libby, I can't believe that you don't like
Sticky bun.
sticky bun. It's cinnamon.
No, I
Just try
didn't
it.
say I didn't like it.
Oh, polish that off. So I've been running the ARB fridge off the Jeep batteries for the last, I would say, 16 hours, let's say. And it's still running, so that's good. And then I've got the solar, which I showed earlier in another video, and I'll show it again up there, that's going directly into the batteries. So we did drive it around yesterday, so the batteries were pretty well charged, and we'll drive it around again today. But pretty cool to be able to run the fridge off the Jeep batteries with 2 batteries and a 100-watt solar panel. So there's this 100-watt solar panel. It's flexible. I just got it zip tied in, and then it goes down M4 connectors and into the compartment and charges the batteries under there.
Okay, so this is what you do. You're going to choose a croissant.
Yep.
Go ahead, anything you can choose. Someone made some amazing onions. There's onions, bacon, ham, different cheeses. So you're going to layer those in to make a breakfast sandwich. We've got a little bit of salt and pepper if you need salt and pepper. Wrap it in aluminum foil and then put it over there to warm up and everything melt together on the fire.
Oh, wow.
If you feel like a sweet one, we do also have butter, Nutella, and strawberry spread.
Oh my God,
Yum.
I totally forgot. Did you set up?
But you know what I would do? I would
All right, Laura Lee, what are you making?
We have all collaborated on breakfast croissant sandwiches. Some with Nutella, some with cheese.
You've
and
labeled them.
Some, well, the end, what do you think that stands for?
That stands for nutty
Nutty.
Nutella.
Got it.
Wow. Yum.
Yeah.
Windows are shut. Wheel chocks are out. Stabilizer stands are out. Gas is off. Door is locked. Windows are closed. Everything's secure with the car. Well, we're wrapping up another overland travel adventure here at Doran Beach in Bodega Bay, California. It's been overcast and cold, not too windy, but today it is gorgeous. It is sunny and very nice. We just finished our last walk on the beach, and we'll be headed home here in just a second. Time to go.